What's up guys, and welcome to another one of our holiday tech guide videos where we're giving you the top 10 tech gifts of 2018. Now number 8 is going to be the Ring Doorbell 2. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and also hit that bell for notifications so you know when we release a new video. So the Ring Doorbell 2 is basically just a surveillance doorbell. So it has a camera on the inside. It works with your pre-existing doorbell, and it also works if you don't currently have a doorbell because it works via Wi-Fi and it works through your cell phone. So some of the features are it has a 1080p camera that has infrared and night vision. It also gives you the ability to communicate with people through your cell phone, tablet, or your laptop. And you can also check in from anywhere with its live on-demand video feed. So this is actually a really great gift for anyone that is security conscious. It gives them the ability to kind of secure their home. It also gives you the peace of mind to know who's at your front door if the bell is ever rung or somebody's ever knocking at your door. You can use that camera to kind of pre-screen who's at your front door. It's actually a really good deal on Amazon right now. It's about $169. You get the Doorbell 2 with the Echo Dot 3rd gen. And the reason why that's really cool is because they actually do communicate with each other. So you can actually talk to people through the Echo Dot that's at the front door. So you don't have to actually use your cell phone, tablet, or laptop. You can actually throw that Echo Dot into the mix and it provides another way of communicating with people. It's actually a really good gift and I think you guys should check it out. Link in the description. So if you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more videos. Thank you so much for checking it out. Until next time, peace out.